strongest killing people, and it's it. Is that a sword and a shield, and people got blood, and there's a zombie too, and police to help him, and police to help him, and there's a lot to fight the monster, about, and police fight up zombies, and there's a big monster, and the big zombies at the hammer, and Diba and Mama make the robot police too, and it's every